Happy Saturday, everybody. It's a beautiful day in London. Babe, say hi.
What?
He doesn't want to say hi to the vlog. So we've just left the house. We're going to Aaron's mum's house for barbecue. I've got my summer gear on. Hello. A little bit of Misguided. Babe's wearing a bit of Ralph, a bit of shorts, a bit of Nike. You know, same old swag. Bit of the old. Anyway, yeah, we're just heading round to Aaron's mum's house. We're going to see if we can pick up some of them on the go bikes actually, and ride them round, obviously. And obviously we're going to go riding on the, what day are we going to go riding on? Monday. Yeah, we're going to go riding on Monday as well. So, you know, makeup's looking a bit summery today. Got on a brighter lip, some spring summer nail polish, and yeah, we're enjoying the nice weather. What's the temperature today? What's it like, 23, 24? Anything? He literally does not want to talk. Like, it's so rude. Like, he's not even talking to me. Oh my god! You know these crazy people that live around where I'm living and they want to drive up the road like it's Fast and Furious, but it's really not. They need to stop. Anyway, yeah, so come and join the day with us, and yeah, let's get going.
I'm not taking pictures of you. I'm positive.
Video me then.
No, I would never video you, Mia.
Yes, you would.
Hi! Such a screw face, mate. Pretty girl.
Come on, then take some video of me.
Okay, soz.
Hi guys, so we're watching the David Haye Tony Bellew fight on, what's this, on Sky Sports HD? Box Office. We're watching it. If you don't know who they are, then Google them. They're British boxers. Big fight, big UK fight, and yeah, babe, who do you think's gonna win? David Haye. The Maguire has spoken. Aaron has spoken. He thinks David Haye is going to win. So we guess, like, we'll just have to wait and see. I don't really know yet if David Haye is going to win because he's like much older than Tony Bellew. Yeah, he's been fighting for longer and all that malarkey, but you know, I don't really know. And Tony Bellew's got a lot of, like, you know, fire in him. So I guess we're going to have to wait and see who wins, you know. Guys, this fight is getting real serious. So basically, David Haye's leg is completely mashed up. Like, it's gone. His leg is gone. Like, this fight is not going to last much longer. Like, literally, babe, what round is this? Round 5. Yeah, he ain't going to last round 5. Like, he's literally not going to last. He is not going to last. Guys, so the fight's over. David Haye lost as we expected anyway. He went down in the 5th round, it was. In the 5th round he went down. Yeah, his foot just started wobbling. He went uneasy and that was it. Tony Bellew knocked him out. Ref stopped the fight. Done. Tony Bellew is the winner. So, you know, it wasn't that great. Not really that fast. But yeah, just a little update for you. Good afternoon, everybody. It is another beautiful day in London. Say hi, babe. He doesn't want to say hi, like, it's literally so rude. But yeah, we are heading out. We are heading out on a bike ride. We're just gonna go and pick up one of those, what are they called? Urbo bikes, because Aaron's got his bike out. So we're gonna get one of the Urbo bikes out for me to ride. and we're going to go and ride down to the Princess of Wales pub that's on the canal, and then we're gonna probably, you know, have like a nice cold drink there, and then go on some more bike riding down the canal and see what we can see. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. The weather is so beautiful. It's like 25, 26 degrees right now. Yeah, it's great. Got on my little dungaree short set, and yeah, feeling good, man, feeling good. So let's make most of this weather. Yeah. Hello. Babe's severely sunburned on his head. Severely. Like, it's actually unreal, but you know, white people problems, isn't it? Goddamn. The Princess of Wales.
Look. Bag of red.
Oh no. Hello. It's a beautiful day.
Good steak, boy.
You are so sunburnt. Got a nice Kopberg. Babe, what are you drinking?
You bought it.
Just drinking an Amstel with a lemonade top. It's beautiful out here. It's so beautiful. This lighting is amazing. So we didn't find any bikes. So Aaron's just riding his bike. We didn't actually find one of the on-the-go bikes because it just seems that everyone's got them out. So yeah, we're just sitting and enjoying our time out here in the sunshine. Well, we're sitting in the shade because Babe's severely sunburned. So we're in the shade at the minute, but it's still lovely and hot, isn't it? He's so sunburnt, mate. So sunburnt. Guys, we finally found an ice cream van. I didn't get a Zap because they didn't have any Zaps, which is very depressing. They're sold out. But I got a cherry brandy. Babe, what did you get? A 99. You got a 99 cake and sprinkles and nuts on it as well. So we're very happy we got our ice lollies finally after being out for the entire day and not coming across one ice cream van. Like, it's actually mad. Like, it's actually mad. So yeah, we're really happy. So now we're gonna go home and have some dinner and chill out and just enjoy the rest of this sunshiny day. Yes, people. Is that ice cream good, babe?
What?
Is that ice cream good? See? Man, a few words, man, Mr. Maguire. Do you know what I mean? Man, a few words. But he's pretty. All right, bye, guys.